Okay, create a new document, name it My Cars with an S, first and last name. Move it into your computer apps folder, and then make sure you're in Moodle and that you've logged in the correct cohort. Log in as a guest. Remember the password is COMP. And we are now in our 5th section. Select a car. And we are going to the outline for my car. And you are copying. If you do Control A, it will select all. And then you're going to right click and copy. You're going to go over to your My Cars document. And remember, we don't do a regular paste. We don't want Control V. We want paste without formatting. Because if you paste, normally you get a paragraph. We want to paste without formatting or Control Shift V, and we get a list. First thing you're going to do on the list is go in and put a space in between every sentence. And then if we look at our sample, we will notice that there are only two things that are heading 2. My car, so click on it, make it heading 2, and used car option, heading 2. We know that all our heading 3s will be tabbed in, so quickly go down your list and tab them. After we've done this, we're going to go and use the formatter. Remember, in the formatter, you click on a heading, you create the heading 3, and then we go over to the Paint Format tool, double click it, and then we can click on all of our other things and create the correct size. The next thing that we're going to do is our directions tell us, I'm going to undo the Paint Formatter, and then our directions tell us to insert a table. So we're going to go over here and we're going to insert a 2x2 table. We're going to select the header row, and we're going to do the 4 things we always do to a header. We're going to make it bold. We're going to go up in font size. We're going to center it. And then we're going to choose a background color from one of the light colors. What you're going to type in here is you're going to type in exterior and interior. Then you will have your whole document
Miss
set up
Coletta?
for our research.